Yeah, baby. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Sammy gains again. We hit it with the gains. Bitcoin pumping 67,660. We just need the daily and that weekly candle to close above 67,200. That's the key level. Shout out to all you beautiful people here on the live. Shout out to the chat popping off. God bless each and every one of you on God's beautiful day here, Sunday. Sunday, baby, Sunday. Shout out to each and every one of you for being here. If you want to jump on into the trading group and get the gains that we made, jump on in. And I said I was long, baby, long. Even last night at 12 o'clock in the morning, I said I'm still holding long. And it seemed like we were just starting to get that move to the upside, and Bitcoin continued to pump here. Stop loss into break even. I move it up even now. Right there, boom. Stop loss into profit now, protecting. And look, this is a bit of a W here with a higher low that could continue further to the upside. Let's dissect this. Let's talk about it. And the 1 hour is what? Back above the 200 MA, a catalyst for a move to the upside. We all know this can create a massive move. The 4 hour looking strong with a bit of a double bottom here. This is interesting. Let's take a look at what's happening here and get ready for the week ahead. But I've been putting out some serious content on Twitter. Specifically. But this is... I can't. Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. One thing I'll do is I want to take this live stream and let's send that to Twitter right there and say, we live, baby, we live. The best crypto live right now. Shout out to everybody here. It's so beautiful to be alive. The weather here is just turning. And, you know, I know I moved here for the weather, but it's really amazing. Shout out to everybody here. Wow, trading, babysitting is easy over here. See, I got the baby. Boom, boom, boom. And, you know, just hanging out. And look, if I do this, we should see that the new ad for the live. Come to the live. Come to the best live stream in crypto, baby. Right here. Follow me on Twitter. But this is what I wanted to show you. I mean, this is it here. Big Wick Energy. That's the name, a guy's name in my group, so that's funny. But Big Wick Energy, a lot of wicks there. Pumps to the upside. A lot of wicks here. Pumps to the upside. We have two side-by-side wicks. What do you think is going to happen? Simple stuff, right? Successful retest of support, previous resistance. And it's a second higher low in the trend as the trend has changed. And the target is 75,250. That is if I just take the length from this wick to this wick, and it tells you that's where you're likely going to go algorithmically to the upside. Dang it, I didn't do the chart. So we have Big Wick Energy here. We have Big Wick Energy here. Big Wick Energy here. Okay, target all the way up there, 75,250. All right. And this looks absolutely beautiful. Previous resistance became support with the bounce. Second higher low in a row in the trend. There's your low. There's a higher high once you break that. A higher low, a higher high. Higher low, likely. This is very likely to break to the upside. Based on my years of calculations, a breakout of the symmetrical, the shoulder, the head, the right shoulder that wants to push us further to the upside. And everything is on the way. Insanity. Insanity. And I've made multiple predictions. This is another one of them. Shout out to everyone that jumped on into the trading group. All right. Here I am last night at 12 a.m. saying I'm still holding long. Even it didn't look amazing, I held that long. And then again, before I went to bed, I said, not set in stone, but possible here. Looking for this move. And then if we pump above the 200 MA on the 1 hour, you know that creates a catalyst for a beautiful pump. And that's absolutely what happened here. Kind of made this rising wedge. We fell out of it, ripped back to the upside, and then here we are. I had a trade running, and just, I guess my screen wasn't showing, but I had my stop loss right above break even, and I just moved it up even higher here. 67,600. We're a little too far away for the 21 on a beautiful 1 hour, 4 hour move there, but the 1 hour breaking above the 200 MA is bullish. Again, I'd like the 21 a little closer to price action. 67,630. We're gonna have to look at smaller time frames, but let's break down Bitcoin and get back to this in a second here. But if you took the trade that I put out, you were in the green. It took me about 2 days. We went sideways for a while, but you are in the green now. Congratulations to anyone that took the trade with Sammy Gaines. I appreciate you. We care about you and we love you. And that's why we want to see you guys shine. Wow, looking really good. The daily candle. We have so much to talk about. Let's break it down like we do every single day. And we'll be back tonight for Bitcoin and the weekly candle close. You know we don't fail. You know we don't fade. God willing, I hope God willing keeps, if I'm alive, may Allah keep me alive throughout the day. It's crazy how our lives are that fragile, right? Nobody knows. I just flipped onto Twitter. Look at BitBoy. His head stapled. I mean, Jesus, Louises, he could have bled to death. Tripped in the shower. Last Friday night, he slipped in the shower. My God. Oh my God. Jesus, Louises. That's scary stuff. Anything could happen. So anyway, the weekly came down for the retest. It's going to close bearish, a red candle, but it's going to be, as long as we get back above 67.2, I really don't care how it closes. I just care that it closes above 67,200. If we could continue to rip, so be it. It would be awesome if we fly up to 68,000. And our next resistance is going to be now 69.6. But as long as we close a weekly candle above resistance and above support, we're good to go for our next bigger move to our next resistance area, which really these two candles, 69,000, and we're 69.6, and then that's it. I mean, 71.5, and we're gone. It's pretty crazy how close we are to a monumental time here in cryptocurrency. And now we go to the 3-day chart, which is looking bullish as heck. And it definitely did the retest and looking nice. I like what I'm seeing here. Shoulder, head, right shoulder. And then, of course, to the daily. And here we are on le daily, as the French say, le daily. Le da. But look at this. I mean, we broke out. We came down for the retest. Wicks came. Beautiful retest, if you ask me. Did the damage. Daily is still completing a bit of a little bull flag here. And be it so far, so good. It's not what Bitcoin could do for you, but what you could do for Bitcoin. That's my new thing. Golden cross coming tomorrow. Let's flip on those moving averages. You can see there's a golden cross right now. It looks like it might have happened right now. Or it's like seconds. Yeah, it's about to happen. Look at that. And you want to front run this. Usually Bitcoin pumps hard and then the cross happens. So this is telling me that the pump might happen soon. Like we might actually start pumping all throughout the day. We might get a massive pump today for Bitcoin. Just be careful. All right. Shorts are may get really rocked and wrecked here. Let's take a look at what's happening to BOOKMAP. Hey, beautiful. What are you doing with that? No, you broke that? Why'd you do that? No, you don't do that. Put that down right now and I'll do that before you poke yourself. Put it down, please. Put that down, please, my love. Please listen to your father. I'm a good man. Do the right thing. Let me see. Let me see. I want to see the poll. I'm going to take this right now, and I'm going to give it to you when I'm done with my stream. I don't want to see you hurt yourself, okay, sweetie? I know, baby. I know, sweetheart. I know. 67,700 for Bitcoin, doing absolutely lovely. Look at all the price action above us here at 69,220. Look at all the price action below us down here at 65,100. But, if you just look at the math, we're going to do it step by step, day by day, candle by candle, and that's a bull flag right now. Unless Bitcoin breaks back below 66,370, we're headed further to the downside. Rave Song Records, he's such a dad. He's like, can I long 100x because it'll pump hard? Yeah. JFK Sammy, amen, right? So now we're looking here at the 4-hour time frame, and it's beginning to blossom a bit. At the same time, it's a bit of a symmetrical triangle, right? These mainly break down, but they are 50-50, and anything can happen. And I do really feel this double bottom here. I really feel it. It speaks to me. And I mean, that thing can power on up. So I'm interested. They got me definitely interested. They do have liquidity on either side. It is a sketchy Sunday. If the 1 hour goes back below the 200 this time, I feel like it's going to be a little nastier of a dump. We do not want to see the 1 hour lose the 200 MA. So we could pump up to 70,000 and get really excited, or go back down to 64. But again, we'd have to lose this level that we've defended, 67.2, and we'd have to lose 66,370. So there's a lot of strong support here for us for Bitcoin. Let me jump into the chat. How's the chat doing? We got Hassan Armouche. We got Jonathan Bevel. We got Paul Wood always coming through. Never misses a stream. We got Sarah. We got Raphael Rochin. We got L Street TV. We got Rave Song Records in the house, like real serious record producers, people that don't play around here. All right? We have Crypto Bellico. We have Trend with Volume. We have Trading Fantic. Lot Mo Crypto. I got a lot of crypto, but I need a lot mo. My man in the house. We got Matt Meet Damien. I like that. We got Brandon Ducker. We got Barefoot Sailing Adventures in the house. Never misses a stream. My man. Get back in the water. We need you. We got Aloha Sammy from Valerie Valenzuela. Shout out to you in Hawaii. We got Shalendra Yadev. We got Nathaniel McCaslin. We got Rocky Empinoza, Justin Cashmore, Epic Tech, Jay Baker in the house, Elmo in the house. Wow, we got a lot of awesome people here. Paul Wood, we love you. My dog Smalls just got her round of rabies, and she's a little down. Shout out to R. Fizzle. I'm sorry about that, Smalls. We love you. Smalls, over here, Smalls. Shout out to Osmanli. Shout out to Tony Rosas. After Hours Investing, Juicy City, Junk City Trades, Marco Malrud. Shout out to Margaret Ness. Blessing Sam, thank you for all your hard work. We appreciate you. God bless you, Margaret, for the 777s. You are in tune and in that high frequency formation with those 777s. God bless you. Shout out to the chef. My man, I hope everything's going well. I'm so sorry you lost your friend in that horrible shipwreck, man. God bless you, though. Shout out to Calvin Clark. Shout out to Kent Klein. Ill Dramatics. And I could go on all day. God bless each and every one of you for being here. I just want to really recognize all you people that I can. Win streak. I don't want anyone to feel left out. Someone said, hey, what about me? Dario Cohen, we love you all. And you guys make up such an amazing community, the community of the lifers. All right? And we don't play. I'm still in a long. I didn't play. I'm still long. All right? And now above the 200 MA is a very strong sign, 67,700 for Bitcoin. Let's dive into the smaller time frame, see if we can see some continuation movements here. We know this is bullish. We know we have resistance somewhere at this double top at about 68,395. BOOKMAP says we can get to 69.2 if we can, 67,700 for Bitcoin. The 15-minute in a bit of a flag here. Looking very, very interesting. Possibly get to 68,400. 7-minute also looking good. Let me take a look at the indicators. Oversold inside a bull flag. The 7-minute says a move is coming to the upside. I would stay bullish here for Bitcoin on this Sunday. We usually don't get moves on Sunday like this, but you know what? We've been pumping since this morning. And hey, I just had that call, baby. If you're in the trading group, you would have been long like me, or maybe not. You would have might take it short. You might have went your own way. Who knows? There's no guarantee. Who knew what price action was going to do? I know nothing but the fact of my own ignorance. But I would watch this flag of the 7-minute for the next hour and see where we go here. It's likely we may break out in the next 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. Caps Crypto announced, my man. Good morning from NC, my dude. If I have time, I'm listening always to Sammy, the lifer. God bless you, Marco. We love you. Awesome people. You make every stream special. You grow, I grow. You make every stream special, man. God bless you. God bless you. We got Arbitrum already in Gala. Ooh, Ooh, let's take a look at the fan funding here. Bull flag on the 5-minute for Bitcoin. Yeah, we're seeing that now on the 7. Similar thing, King Papa. Thank you. And we got Margaret Ness for the 777s. Blessing, Sam. Thank you for all your hard work. We appreciate you. We appreciate you too. Everyone, I do an update. See how I'm doing an update showing you where we are from the weekly all the way down to the 7 and even maybe even smaller, and then giving a possible trade here. I do this every single morning in the trading group between 6:30 and 7 in the morning every single day. I decided to do the weekend streams just to help you guys understand this is what you get if you just pay $3 a day. You get these added bonuses every single day, and then you get an added bonus at night, another one of these updates at night, on top of the live stream, on top of all the things I'm looking for. So if you really want to be in tune to the market, you want to be taking care of maybe if there's a scalp out there in a smaller time frame, if we're bouncing off the bigger time frame, like I'm showing you how the daily is holding support strong, and I'm just showing you how all the fundamentals are coming through. And I still don't know what's going to happen to Bitcoin, but we know right now if the 1 hour can stay above the 200 MA, we're going to continue to pump and do damage again. Maybe we come up, maybe we just do this. There's a chance. We're just kind of doing some consolidation, but you know what? It is what it is. Let's see if that's what it is. Bitcoin 67,740 flashing on the perpetual. And it's only a matter of time. It's showing that we may get busy here. Watch your 7-minute time frame for Bitcoin. 21 coming up with the 200, with the stochastics curving down is my go-to. Lack of bearish momentum on the MACD says there is a move coming for Bitcoin. Little bit of bearish div. This swings down while that also swings down. Not really a bearish divergence there at the present moment in time. We'd want this to be more further to the upside. And again, nothing is guaranteed. Right now, we're forming some support at about 67,600. I'd like to see if we can hold that too as well. I am bullish overall on this bull flag here for Bitcoin. And that measured move takes you to 68,005. And we go from there. Shout out to Joe Rogan. Shout out to the world. And look at this guy. Look at this wilderness warrior. Look at this. Let's take a look at this. Hold up. I gotta find out what this man's saying. Who is this guy?
That's your Mills River area in North Carolina. Doing some fly fishing today.
Okay.
I've got some nice ones. We'll throw them in there.
Okay.
Just get out. Don't be in crypto all day.
Okay.
Every day.
Okay.
Get out and enjoy nature.
Okay.
Enjoy nature.
Yeah.
Enjoy the sunshine.
Okay.
Got my dog with me.
Okay. Well, let me see the dog. Where's the dog at?
There he is.
Oh, there he is. What a cute little dog. He's in good shape. Keep him clean.
Yeah.
Nice.
So we're having fun doing some fly fishing on a Saturday morning.
Amen.
So get out.
Amen.
Enjoy yourself today.
Amen.
And remember, if you really want to make yourself happy,
Yeah.
do something nice for somebody else.
Amen.
Now to do it, be helpful.
Amen.
Be helpful.
Amen.
And I'll see you Tuesday. See you Tuesday on
Giver's Gate, YouTube.
Billy Goat Tales X Space at 9 p.m.
Okay, yeah.
We'll see you guys.
Amen. Billy, man, thank you. That was awesome.
Hey.
Bitcoin 80K next. It's possible, baby. It's possible. It's possible. We're building those stepping stones for this move. And again, we can't get to all these bigger places unless the smaller time frames give us the love. So that's what we do here in this channel. We kind of show you the building blocks of how price action moves. And we show you that you can't get to one level without showing another level. And you can't get to this without getting to that. And it's kind of what we specialize in, showing you how the move is created and showing you how the smaller time frames become the building blocks for the bigger ones. And there's indications there showing you, teaching you, and taking you along the way there. So remember, move your stop losses into profit as soon as you can. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's the smartest move you can pull in the game. Let's take a look at what's popping today here. We got Jupiter back above $1. I told you when Jupiter's back above $1, the whole market's ready to rip again. Popcat holding 150. Looks interesting from the first that we had an alert like that in the trading group. AERO drone, remember I just piled in at 114 for another $4,000, $5,000. That thing is back up 122 and doing damage. Injective as well. Render protocol already. And you're just seeing a nice bounce a little here back in the altcoins in the last 24 hours, getting 3, 4, 5% here around the market. It's 176 for Solana. Whoa, up 9.8% of the week. I put out 100 grand at 109, so now I'm back up basically 70,000. Almost got a double on my entire investment. It's been there a few times, but this time looks like it may be the last time we have to suffer with those lows anyone that was able to gobble that 109, 110 level not too long ago on a massive dump, when that fear level hit 22 or something, was it a month and a half ago? Near protocol is something I'm eyeing too, and we have a bunch of setups in the trading group that look absolutely meaty and beautiful, and I'll be pumping them out throughout the week and showing you what I'm looking at. And we also have an elite 4 traders that are pumping out stuff that they see, and it's just been amazing. Klaus, a lot of people are looking at Klaus. Goat finally took that hit back down to 65 cents. I didn't chase Goat. I wouldn't. Just not my cup of tea. I'm happy that anyone that makes gains on it, you know. Let's take a look at crypto bubbles and give you kind of your day in a shot here. In the last day, Aerodrone, right? And who bought Aerodrone on the lows? And I showed my trading group. I said, I'm buying Aerodrone. Look, this is the type of stuff that I show you. This is the type of stuff that I commit to. When everyone else is running in fear, there was a lot of fear here. Everyone was bugging out, acting like it was going to be the end. I see a lot of people saying, this is the end of the bull market. Or I don't even know. There was a lot of nonsense. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. And, you know, we copped that Aerodrome, right? And here it is right here. You know, buying more Aerodrome here. 1023. Bang. $5 grand of Aerodrome. $10 shy of it, right? 1 USD equals 83 AERO, 0.83 AERO. Beautiful move, man. And you gobble up that Aerodrome, man, when people are bugging out. And look, back in the gains, baby. Radium pumping, Jupe pumping, right? The DEXs are back in there. People are running in. Caspa back up 7.8%. Anyone bugging out, thinking Caspa was dead? When anyone says something's dead to me, I'm buying more of it. You know, and in the last hour, we still have the front runners really holding space here. Jupe and Ray, Moog, another little, and Wing Tao. So I like what I'm seeing here. SPX, I believe, is going to continue to pump. If you're looking for a meme that could really hold the gains, but that's what I believe. It's up to you. That's my speculative nature there. 67,685. This is all good. It can't go continue up. I'd like to see it kind of mellow out here. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute well above the 200 MA, also making a bit of a flag here. Some bearish div on the 1 minute, I'll tell you that, though. This kind of slopes down without slopes. No, they both slope down. We're in pretty good shape with low stochastics. This looks like we can definitely get a move here to the upside. I'd watch my 5-7 minute and keep this flag on your radar. We're likely going to pump. You never know. We could Bart Simpson right down. That's why my stop loss is always in profit, and I'm covering myself no matter what. And yeah. And everybody, I'm going to be pumping out stuff and going through the chats. May God bless each and every one of you, and thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Remember, be with your family. Get out into nature if you can, if the weather permits. The weather here is just absolutely beautiful. It's going to be a gorgeous day today. Right now, it's 77 degrees, mostly cloudy. Feels like 86. That's what they say, but there's a breeze, and it's nice. And today is just going to be absolutely beautiful. Low of 66 tonight with a high of 83, partly sunny. I mean, come on. And it's going to be sunny for the next, I don't know, 20 days, it looks like, every single day, with like a highs in the mid 80s and lows in the high 60s. It's like, this is what you want. Like, this is the most beautiful weather I've ever felt. When I go for a walk, it's like unbelievable. Anyway, God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. You're in the gains with the lifer. Watch the flag, you know, and everyone in my trading group, man. We took you through the entire trade from beginning to end. I'm still in the trade, so it may end better, even better, but it's a win right now for sure. So remember that. God bless everybody on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. This is your Sunday update for Bitcoin and a couple altcoins if I see something fit. Let's just take a look at the AERO chart real quick before I jump on out of here. AERO, baby, AERO. Right when I said that, it went bleh. So crazy, huh? A little bit of bearish dip, but it is following the Bitcoin craze here, getting above the 1 hour 200 MA, and that's like a huge move. I wouldn't be surprised if somehow, you know, for whatever reason, we do get the bigger pump. So AERO's showing signs of a massive pump today. You know, either we get resistance here and we come back down to the bottom of the channel, which could happen. You know, a bit of a resistance here at about 120. But once we crack that, I mean, we rip right back up to the 137 level. It's just really, really fast. So, hey, I like this. I like what I'm seeing for AERO. And look, back at 1023 when I bought AERO, we were right here somewhere. Or we were somewhere back at 108, 109. We did that better, a better dip of 102. But boom, we're back in the money now so fast. And that's up 20% already, 20 cents on AERO, right? I just had to show my screen for a second. I just can't believe this. So AERO, right? Look at that. And see how we're low in the stochastics curving? A little caution with the MACD a little high and a little bit of bearish div, how this is flattening out. And that's, you know. But wow, I'm excited for AERO. Sorry about the screen. God bless everybody. Everyone, thank you for being here, kicking it with me. Hit the like button, please. As many people hit the like button, it's important. We only had 275 people hit that like button. Come on now. We've been tracking Bitcoin accurately daily. And I'll see you guys all tonight. Thank you so much. If you hit the like button, it means you have respect for yourself. Let's see how many people do. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you tonight.